What's up, 9 Round Nation? Drew the Captain here. We are in the kitchen today. We are whipping up the Antioxidant Blast Smoothie. It's a great smoothie to really add a lot of nutrition to your daily diet. We have fruits, we have vegetables, we got a lot of great things that are gonna help you with your daily nutrition. Now, one of the key goals of the Antioxidant Blast Smoothie is to get a lot of great things coming into your body and into your daily diet. So we're gonna get extra fruits, vegetables, we're gonna get great fiber, and of course, the antioxidants from all these great things into your daily diet. This is gonna be very helpful for people on the go. This is a great option either for someone for breakfast or someone that really hasn't been able to get a lot of these great things in throughout the day. You can knock it out real quick with a quick smoothie. Okay, we have all the ingredients that we need for the Antioxidant Blast Smoothie, so let's make this thing. What I have here, I actually have enough for a double batch, so I'm actually gonna make enough smoothies for myself and my wife today. So you can see the recipe right here, but I'm gonna be doing double of everything. So what I have right here is our fruit, which is the mixed berries. Get all that good stuff in there. And then of course we have our Greek yogurt. Get all that good stuff there. Perfect. Here we go. We don't want to forget the veggies. We have our diced up cucumbers. We have our kale. Perfect. We also have the water, just for mixing. And I use frozen mixed berries for this one, again, just to give it that good cold smoothie texture. We also have our chia seeds. And then the last thing I have here is honey. Now, this is an optional item for you out there. This is just if you want it to be a little bit sweeter or not, just depending on if you have that sweet tooth or not. This is gonna add a little bit of carbs into your shake, so it's just, or your smoothie, so it's just something to think about, but I like it a little bit sweeter, so I'm gonna throw the honey in. There we go. Get all that good stuff in. Now we'll zing this thing up and see how it tastes. All right, now we have all those amazing ingredients mixed up into one killer smoothie. So let's check this thing out. So let's bring this out. Pour ourselves some of this awesome antioxidant blaster. Oh, I can see all the goodness in there. I even put a special little strawberry on the glass for my wife right here. Again, we're getting all these killer nutrients right here in this great smoothie. Let's give this thing a try. Oh, it tastes great. I can really feel that I'm getting a lot of good nutrition right here, but it tastes great. It's very easy to make. It's very easy to drink. And I really hope you guys enjoy this amazing smoothie, and we'll see you soon at your local 9 Round.